Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing is immediate. Turn on Bluetooth and set the other device to visible or pairing mode. This creates the handshake window. Make sure both batteries are above 20% to avoid power management blocks, and move them within a few meters to prevent weak signal problems. Once done, close high-traffic apps or airplane mode toggles that interfere. This first step establishes basic connectivity and prevents false failures before you attempt advanced fixes. Now you perform the actual pairing. Scan for the device and select it. When prompted, confirm the displayed PIN or accept the connection. If pairing stalls, inspect OS permissions. Bluetooth access must be allowed for the app and system profiles, so grant them. Make sure audio routing is set to the correct output if using headphones or speakers. If the scan still fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on or briefly enable airplane mode to reset radio stacks. This often clears transient conflicts. Finish by verifying the connection does what you need. Play audio, send a file, or test input latency. If functionality is incomplete, choose forget or unpair on both devices and repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles. Make sure firmware and drivers are current, since compatibility patches often fix subtle bugs. If the link still misbehaves, reboot both devices to reload Bluetooth subsystems. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: remove other nearby paired devices to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.